my channel. I've done these like capsule wardrobes a few times on my channel, and I'll link those down below if you want to watch it. So I decided to do a spring one because I've always ever done a summer one. If you don't know what like a capsule wardrobe is, it's basically just like a minimal wardrobe. Some people use it while they're traveling, if they're going somewhere for a long period of time and only can bring a small suitcase, or some people just use it for every season. I feel like these are basic pieces that if you have can make so many outfits with them, in multiple outfits. I'm just going to quickly show the items and then I'll get into showing the outfits. This time I did 15 pieces, but around like 8 pieces are actually clothing and the rest are like accessories and jackets. Just to show you, you can make countless and endless outfits with just these basic pieces. So the first piece, basic blue jeans, skinny leg, and there's like no rips in them. You can wear them dressed up or casual. Then to have a more casual pant, I have these ripped jeans. They're like ripped boyfriend jeans. Then the last pair of pants I included is a pair of leggings. For tops, I included 2 t-shirts and 2 sweaters. I know the weather's different for spring in like every different country. For me, it's kind of like some days are super cold, some days are like warm. The first one is just a basic white ribbed sweater, and then the next one is just a simple black sweater, a blue t-shirt, has a little peplum on the bottom. Shirt, it's like really thin and just has a slight mock neck and has stripes. And then as for accessories, I included just a really thin scarf. Some days it's a little chilly, so you might need a scarf, and just a neutral color scarf that goes with like any outfit is good. And then I included 2 belts. One of them is just a plain black belt, and the next one is like a colorful belt. For jackets, I just included those basic like military trench coats everyone has, and then the next one is like a nicer coat option, and it's one of these like pea coats, but it's a longer one. And then the other piece I included is, I'm actually wearing it, I included just a simple like knit cardigan. For shoes, I included just a pair of Converse. You can do like any kind of sneaker. I feel like if you have a sneaker and a pair of booties, you're set. So those are all the pieces, so let's get into styling all the outfits. watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for new videos every Monday and Friday. See you guys in my next video. Bye.